Nightfall did not bring the expected cool temperatures. The youngsters play at dawn before it gets too hot. The elephants are not yet looking for shade. With no green grass, they feed on tree bark and branches, devastating entire groves. At dawn, a water hole appears in the dry Ruaha riverbed. The water is much in demand. It refreshes the zebras and impalas following a route northward. The animals have to hurry, drink what they can, because the arrival of 500 buffalo doesn't augur well for the future of this water hole. Despite incidents along the way, the herd of buffalo has retained its lead over the pride of lionesses. They trample and roll in the water, quickly eliminating all traces of the pond. The lionesses stand little chance of reaching this precious source of water. The buffalo draw strength in numbers. Regrouped, their horns protruding, they form a shield that the weakened lionesses cannot breach without harm. But things can change quickly in the savannah. A lion, more convincing than its peers, claims the site as its own. Walking to the point of exhaustion, trampling the dust, heading north along the route marked out by the columns of herbivores ahead, never giving up, despite the grueling heat. Lions, buffaloes, kudus, and up ahead, elephants and giraffes, all seeking the same essential source of life. Finally, after walking for several days, the need for water growing increasingly urgent, a signal is heard among the animals. They come running from all directions as the euphoria spreads. The elephants are relieved. They need so much water. A large adult male drinks nearly 60 gallons a day. Yet, if necessary, they can draw on their resources and survive several days without water. Warthogs, zebras, water bucks, and impalas resume their lives on the banks of the Ruaha River with an abundant supply of thick green grass. Giraffes and elephants find their favorite meal again, acacia leaves. The buffalo, more sedentary than the other herbivores, suffered severely from the drought. Hundreds converge on the waterhole. The clan of the southern lionesses is finally close to its goal. As usual, the mothers and cubs lag behind. Utterly exhausted, the pride finally discovers the promise of a better future. The matriarch has found another excellent lookout point on a branch of a river. Junior and his brother survived the ordeal. After this long expedition, it's time for cat naps and maternal affection. The prey is tempting, almost within reach, but the lionesses don't have the energy to attack a powerful battalion of horns. The two camps weigh each other up. One side keeps an eye on the aggressors. The other, although racked with hunger, assesses the strength of its adversary. The lionesses approach, though without much conviction, without the strength they need to attack a herd already on the move. Tonight, everyone will rest. The night was refreshing, but the lions are famished. They are prepared to take major risks. The buffalo have sensed the trap. But these lionesses are experienced killers who know how to attack such a compact mass of animals. They spread out, strike wherever they can to disrupt the herd and disperse the animals. In the heat of the panic, a weak, isolated, and probably ill animal pays the price. Disoriented, the buffalo have regrouped to form a shield. It's a useless attempt. The lionesses have won.